Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the SKIMS Swarovski collaboration item of the Jelly Sheer Bandeau in Onyx Black. Now we have unboxed and tried on a few other items from the Swarovski SKIMS collection, so if you're interested in other items, be sure to take a look at our other videos, and of course subscribe as we will be releasing additional items shortly. Alright, so getting a first look at our packaging, you can see that all of these SKIMS Swarovski items, clothing items, are going to come in these silver boxes. The packaging of this Bandeau specifically was a little funny after having unboxed a few of the other items because of the way the Bandeau actually wrapped, or more so didn't wrap around the insert. But in any case, getting our first glimpse of our product, we can see that they really spared no expense with putting Swarovskis all around this Bandeau. Alright, getting a little closer look at the fabric, we tried to stretch it in both ways, and it does feel like there's a little give horizontally across the chest, but not really any give vertically. We did notice that the upper band and the bottom band did have some give, so I do think that adds an element of comfort and, even just ease putting this Bandeau on. Again, taking a last look at some of the details so you can really feel like you're experiencing the full unboxing yourself. Let us know if you have this item, if you like this item, if you want this item in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe.